Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to class 6. I am your SST teacher Farah Mehmoon from BFC College Nashar Pros. Dear students, this is your SST book. This book consists of two parts. First is geography and second is history. Today we are going to start our first section, which is geography, and our first chapter is our country in the world. Do you know what is geography? I tell you, geography comes from the Greek word geographia, meaning to describe the earth. To describe the earth. Geographers look at the use of space on earth and the interactions that take place between people and the land they live on. So, geography is the study of both the physical and human features on the earth. Now we discuss position of Pakistan in the Muslim world. Look at this map. This is map of Europe, Asia and Africa continents. In this map, green color indicates Islamic countries like Pakistan, India, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, Algeria, Morocco, Sudan, etc. Pakistan and its neighboring countries. Dear students, look at this map. This map shows Pakistan is bordered by India to the east, Afghanistan to the northwest, Iran to west, while China borders the country in the northeast. The coast of the Arabian Sea forms its southern border. India shares longest border with Pakistan, about 270 kilometers. Border is specified into four categories, which are LAC, line of actual contact, LOC, line of control, third is working boundary, and fourth one is international border. The length of Pakistan-China border between Pakistan and China is 585 km or 363.5 miles, and it is the shorter border among all other borders. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is hope of better region of future with peace, development and growth of economy. Here is another map of South Asian countries like Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Maldives, Sri Lanka, etc. Now your homework is discuss the location of Pakistan in the Muslim world. Take care. Allah Hafiz.